Ever tried to collaborate on your finances with someone else? Maybe you're a freelancer and your partner helps manage the books, or you run a small business with your spouse. You both need access to Xero, but how does that actually work? Can two people really use the same Xero account? That's the burning question we're tackling today. Xero is a powerful cloud-based accounting software, loved by many for its simplicity and user-friendliness. But when it comes to teamwork, things can get a little tricky. Can you both log in simultaneously? Will your data get jumbled? And most importantly, can you both safely and efficiently manage your finances without stepping on each other's toes? Addressing the core question. The good news is, yes, absolutely. Xero is designed with collaboration in mind. You can have multiple users with varying levels of access within a single Xero account. This means you and your partner can both work within the same system without fear of overwriting each other's work or causing confusion. Explaining user roles. Xero offers flexible user roles, allowing you to customize access based on individual needs. For instance, the owner/administrator. This is usually the primary user with full access to all features and the ability to manage other users. Accountant. If you work with an accountant, they'll likely have their own role with specific permissions to view and process transactions. Standard user. This role provides access to core features like viewing transactions, entering bills and invoices, and reconciling accounts. You can customize this further by restricting access to certain areas of the software. This granular control ensures that everyone has the access they need while maintaining data security and preventing unauthorized changes. Demonstrating collaboration features. Let's dive into some key collaboration features that make Xero a fantastic tool for teamwork. Real-time collaboration. Xero operates in the cloud, meaning changes are reflected instantly for all authorized users. This allows for seamless teamwork and ensures everyone is working with the most up-to-date information. User activity feed. Xero provides an activity feed that tracks all changes made within the account. This helps you stay informed about what your partner has been working on, identify potential conflicts, and easily audit any changes. Secure communication. Xero offers secure messaging within the platform, making it easy to communicate with your partner or accountant about specific transactions, queries, or any other financial matters. These features not only improve efficiency, but also enhance communication and transparency within your financial operations. Tips for effective collaboration. To ensure smooth collaboration within your Xero account, consider these helpful tips. Clearly define roles and responsibilities. Before adding users, clearly define who will be responsible for what tasks. This will minimize confusion and prevent duplication of effort. Regularly communicate. Keep open lines of communication with your partner or team members. Discuss any changes, updates, or concerns you may have. Utilize Xero's features. Take advantage of Xero's built-in communication tools and activity feed to stay informed and minimize misunderstandings. Conduct regular reviews. Schedule regular reviews of your financial data to ensure accuracy and identify any potential issues. By following these tips, you can maximize the benefits of collaboration within Xero and streamline your financial management process. Addressing potential concerns. You might be wondering about data security. Rest assured, Xero employs robust security measures to protect your financial data. This includes data encryption. All data transmitted and stored within Xero is encrypted using industry-standard security protocols. Two-factor authentication. You can enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your Xero account. Regular security audits. Xero conducts regular security audits and employs a dedicated security team to proactively identify and address any potential vulnerabilities. With these security measures in place, you can confidently collaborate within Xero knowing that your financial data is safe and secure. Benefits of collaboration in Xero. Collaborating within Xero offers numerous benefits, including increased efficiency, streamline workflows and reduce the time spent on repetitive tasks, improved accuracy, minimize errors and ensure the accuracy of your financial data, enhanced communication, improve communication and transparency within your team, better decision-making, Access to accurate and up-to-date financial information enables better-informed decision-making. Reduce stress. Simplify your financial management process and reduce stress associated with bookkeeping. By leveraging Xero's collaborative features, you can unlock the full potential of the software and significantly improve your financial management practices. In conclusion, yes, absolutely, two people can effectively use the same Xero account. By understanding user roles, leveraging collaboration features, and following best practices, you can streamline your financial workflows, improve accuracy, and enhance communication within your team. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,